We are here in our aft suite aft on Virgin Voyages. Resilient lady. Plenty of closet space, all of our drawers. They even give us a steamer. Very, very nice. And then we come into our king size bed. Not two beds put together. This is an actual king size bed with your storage on each side. We have our tablet, access to our Rockstar agent. We have our light switches, the USB ports, everything you need. Yes. Oh, this room is so gorgeous. We have our TV there. And then, as you know, when you are a Rockstar, your first fill is on the house. You can make a couple swaps with your agent. You have your record player, all the things that make Virgin Voyages, your nice getting ready area, beauty counter. I will be using that. And then my favorite, the bathroom, where you have all your elevated amenities, your slippers, your towels. And this is why we wanted this room, because we like that the porthole window looks outside instead of into the room, and only the suite aft suites have the porthole that looks to the outside instead of into the room. And then, of course, one of the best things about being at the back of the ship is how big the balcony is. So when you are in a suite on Virgin, you automatically get the nice lounge chairs. And of course, every terrace has the hammock. All right, everyone, thank you for watching. Already adding to the video, underneath the bed, on one side you have sliding drawers for extra storage. And then on the other side, it is hollow underneath, so that way you can store your luggage. Not that we needed more alcohol in our room, but we came back to another bottle of bubbles, so that is a nice little thank you for sailing with them. I don't think I can ever do Virgin Voyages without being in a suite, because the first pour of all of these is included, and you can even swap them out. So we replaced a gin with a black label, and we got an extra tequila. And then they always keep us with some sparkling water and some regular water. They keep our ice bucket full. And also being able to shower and look out over the water is just total bougie.